Hello, Mr. Mackay. How are you feeling right now during the procedure?
I'm feeling amazing so far.
Oh, good, good. Was the procedure what you expected so far?
It's better than what I expected. I expected there to be pain when they put the injections in to numb the skull, and there really was little or no pain.
Oh,
I
fantastic.
think because they used this massage tool,
Massage too. Oh, yeah, the vibration. Yeah, yeah.
that was amazing. That was game changing. That was one of my fears in signing up to come for it. Was I don't like injections, and I was a bit worried about that, but it's been absolutely amazing.
What made you decide to go for a hair transplant?
At a certain age, around 40, 49, I felt I suddenly became invisible.
Mm-hmm.
So from being an entrepreneur, a business owner of seven-figure companies and teaching yoga, playing in bands, I was always very visible on stage one way or another.
Uh-huh.
And then at a certain point, I was still doing those things, people just stopped seeing me for whatever reason.
Oh, okay. It was about confidence and all this.
Not confidence, I just think,
Okay.
I just accepted that, there's nothing I can do, you're just getting older and your hair's receding, and I think I just accepted it.
Did you have any concerns or fears, apart the injections, of course, before the procedure? How do you feel about them now?
I think I made the right choice. I wanted to go local. I didn't want to go abroad, to Turkey or somewhere like that. I wanted to be somewhere local, so if there was any concerns or if there was any problems, then it was kind of on my doorstep, and I had that support. And so that was a big factor in coming through here.
Mm-hmm.
And, but no, there hasn't. Nothing else is kind of cropped up.
Good. What has surprised you the most about the experience so far?
Definitely the lack of pain, but not just the lack of pain, but the overall. There's nothing negative. I know that sounds like a sales pitch, but it isn't. There's just nothing negative. It's quite relaxing.
Good.
The staff are great. There's good chat, good fun. You're made to feel relaxed. I dare to say it's even almost enjoyable. That sounds incredible. But it sort of
Chill.
is. It sort of is. Yeah.
And what factors made you choose Dr. Bonaros for your hair transplant?
I think I read up on him and saw that his credentials, and I looked a lot at the examples on the website of the actual patients, and I looked at reviews. And
The case studies.
Yeah, case studies.
Yeah.
And also the proximity, how close. So I'm based in Edinburgh and you're in Glasgow, obviously, so it's 45 minutes in the car. So a combination of all those things, but I definitely looked at the sort of credibility in the background. I think it's important if you're going to do that, definitely check out, because I think not all hair transplants are the same, but I think they're made out to be the same. I've had some interesting chats. One of my friends went to Turkey.
Okay.
And it's okay, but I think it's a bit of a lottery. From what he said, he had quite a painful experience. And it was a very slow recovery process.
Okay.
So I think it's fair to say, if you don't know a lot about it, it's worth doing the research, because definitely not all hair transplants are the same. In terms of the equipment they use, it makes a big difference.
And what advice would you give to someone considering a hair transplant?
Two things. First of all, be really clear on your reasons for doing it, because it is quite a big step to take. So know what the outcome is you want. So the hair transplant is a means to solve a problem. In the sense, if you've lost your confidence, or you want to look a bit younger, or you want to feel younger. So just be clear on what it is you're looking, and then absolutely do your research, and know the sort of right questions to ask and what to look out for, because it's almost like if you don't know what you're doing and you take your car to a garage, then you're totally relying on the mechanic to kind of not screw you over and do a good job, or any tradesman. So it's kind of similar. I think there's a temptation for people to go for the money, and I understand
for financial reasons.
For some people, it's such a big deal. So I understand that. I'm fortunate. I don't have a problem with that, but I think it's such a big thing. Anything to do with your health and your personal being, it's not worth skimping on. I would always go for quality. So I personally, I would research it, and I would advise go local as much as you can, or certainly local within the UK, let's say, and yeah, go for as high a quality as you can.
Good. And last question. How do you imagine your results will impact your confidence?
What I'm hoping, what I think is I'll become visible again. I will, people will start to see me again. Not necessarily because I'm looking for anything from that, but again, it's just that nobody wants to get older, nobody wants to feel they're getting older in a sense. So I never wanted to grow up. When I was younger, I made a commitment to myself to be like Peter Pan. And
forever young.
Yeah, and I pretty much stuck to that. I've done my own thing throughout my life, and I pretty much have stuck to that. So, yeah, I'm expecting to stay young forever. So I'm expecting to look about 20 again after this.
Oh, Mr. Mackay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.